Hello! Today we're going to give you top tips to set up your remotes properly and ensure the best performance. For the remotes to communicate with the receiver, you need to pair them together. This means that each remote will be assigned to either deck A or B. When you receive the product and set it up for the first time, the remotes are paired by default. However, it's important to know how to do it yourself at any time. To pair your remotes, simply long press the A and B buttons. The remotes are properly paired once their LED colors match the buttons. Before starting to use phase, the remote's internal sensors need to be initialized. To do so, take the remotes out of the receiver and place them on a flat and still surface. The LEDs moving upwards indicate the remotes are calibrating. It is very important to keep the remotes motionless during this process to ensure the best accuracy. After a few seconds, the LEDs stop flashing, indicating that your remotes are properly calibrated. If your remotes are stuck in the calibration stage, place them back into the receiver, pair them again, and put them back on the flat surface for calibration. Lastly, if you've ever noticed a pitch difference between the turntable's speed and the remotes, you can run a manual calibration via Phase Manager. This ensures that the remote's sensors are perfectly calibrated. Open the Phase Manager settings and go to the Calibration tab. Before starting, make sure the pitch sliders on your turntables are exactly at ±0. Start your turntables while keeping the remotes on top. In Phase Manager, click on Start to initiate the calibration. After a few seconds, the process is complete. The remote's speed should now perfectly match the turntables. These practices can be repeated from time to time to maintain optimal performance. You're now all set up and ready to go.